Well, hello everybody.
Hi,
welcome back to our Vegan as Fork channel.
Yay! So, the time has come
for the winner to be announced for the yoga set
premium
giveaway.
yoga set. Why do we say completely different things?
I don't know,
That was
because
really
we're
bad.
our own people.
Okay, well, whatever. So,
In any case, it's a beautiful, beautiful yoga set.
8-piece set.
And we're so happy to give it away. We want to thank everyone who left a comment, which gave them a chance to win it.
We want to thank Lavoie for making this possible.
That was really generous of them to give away one of those sets and to send one to us too. I feel like so special.
Yeah. So hopefully we'll be able to do more of these giveaways in the future. If you're like a brand that's watching this, we love giveaways.
We do.
So anyway, it's time to announce the winner. So we used one of those like random YouTube comment picker things, websites.
What do? You just put like
you put the link for the video and then you hit okay random and
it picks for you.
A random comment.
And it just so happens that the winner is
Minnie. No, Karl Vanbergen. Yay!
Congratulations!
Congratulations! You'll be getting a new yoga set.
Yes, just get in touch with us as soon as possible.
Either email us or send us a message on YouTube. I tried to find your contact info on your YouTube page, but it wasn't there. So just get in touch with us and we will get that sent to you right away.
Yeah, you could just send an email to madrosed@gmail.com.
Yeah.
Or Gmail.
Okay. So anyway, we don't really have anything else to say today. I know our usual upload schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, but unfortunately we were a little bit busy this past week. We had a lot of fun stuff going on. My dad was on vacation from work, so we were doing fun stuff with him.
We saw a Broadway show.
This weekend I had my dance recital.
Yep.
So that was pretty hectic. If you guys want more info on all that, you can check out our vlog channel, which is in the info box below.
It's not very exciting, but it's pretty addictive sometimes.
What?
Our vlogs.
Oh yeah, I thought you meant our lives. I was like, wow, that's a bummer.
No.
Alright, well anyway, we will be back to the regularly scheduled programming on Wednesday.
And again, thanks to everybody who entered.
Yep.
And if you didn't win, you might want to consider buying one because it's an excellent value.
Yeah.
I mean, when you think about it, to buy the mat and the towels and the accessories and everything, and you get a bag for, what is it, like $60?
Yeah.
Shipped?
It's a good deal.
That's crazy. It's cheap. Okay. So thanks again, everybody. And until next time,
much love.